I didn't even realize that there was and we have a forest back there because it's behind us. We live behind the supermarket after the forest. So there was this truck. I think it was an electrician truck. I don't know what kind. I don't know what it was.
Okay.
And it was coming here, and I think somebody was. I think the internet got cut off or something. Kmart, not us, but Kmart, and they had to work on the power lines, in the power pole. It happens. Yeah, nothing goes out. But I don't know why they do that. But, all right.
Just work that down your place, right?
I know. It's just every time it's a little bit. Your voice is a little bit messed up because I can hear your real voice here if you're at my house, but not on the computer. Basically, it's just the internet here, the countryside is weird.
Yeah, it's everything's slowing down.
I might have a here. I gotta get something more quick. Hold on. I'll be back. I just wanna do something. I wanna check the cameras okay or something. Wow.
That's all right.
I'll be here. I'll be right here until until Lexus comes, and then I'll come back. Is that all right? But if Lexus doesn't come, and if you
I just had to import from one program to another.
yeah.
So. Hey, sunshine.
All right, hold on. Is Alexis here?
No, but we're gonna move ahead.
Yeah. That's what I thought too. Because hold on. I'm coming. Hold on. What? Sorry.
But we need to see his smile on the face.
Oh my God. I know. I'm coming back. Jeepers.
We miss you, Edward.
Hold on. Wow.
What are you doing?
I don't know if I'm gonna take. I think I might take a break.
No, Eddie, go back.
Oh, wow. I'm back. No worries.
I thought maybe you got lost.
No, I was just want to make sure my cameras are fine. That's all.
Okay, so.
Got it.
Mister, the first thing I'm gonna ask you to do is to close that blinds behind you all the way.
Why all the way?
So that you don't turn around and look, so you can pay attention.
What? How about I have a plan. I can close the windows, but you gotta do this.
The plan is gonna get you to close the blinds.
But can you at least do it? Can you at least do this a little bit quickly, please?
Close the blinds.
I have.
Just wasting time now.
I guess, Mr. Brown. There. That's better.
There you go. You're like Superman. Thank you. All right. Now we're gonna go over the steps on this quiz. All right. So.
Hold on.
What's the first step?
There. First step in this equation. What?
Are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready. I'm ready next.
First step is distribute the negative 1, right?
Distribute the negative 1.
Okay, so does that affect my first step?
First set of polynomials. We're talking
Yeah,
about.
does that affect it?
No. Wait a minute. 7y plus 5y. Oh! Yeah. Hold on. Now distribute the negative 1. So
Okay.
it's basically 7y plus 5y to the 4th plus 3, and then you put in the minus 1. And then you do, yeah, you know what I would do? I tried this in my test. So I would do 7y plus 5y to the 4th plus 3, and I would change the minus sign to a plus instead of like a negative 1, because basically it's the opposite. So I would do that to a plus, and then it would do, I think, so it's negative 1 times 8, it's negative 8y minus 4y to the 4th minus 9y to the 4th. That's what I would do.
Okay, that works for me.
It's 445 in there. That's not, wait, why did you put a parenthesis behind that? 8y, negative 8y.
That just shows that the negative goes with the 8y. If you're going to do that, you have to put a parenthesis around both of them.
But you have to minus, it's minus instead of like, it's not, that's just like for positive. So positive 8 is like 8y plus negative 4y to the 4th. It kind of looks like that, but it's not.
That's how you would write it. That's how you would write it, Edward.
Yeah.
Hey,
I know.
I had close the lines because it's not. I had you close the lines so you wouldn't be turning around looking. Focus.
All right.
So, what's the next directions tell us to do?
Order of degree. So it has to be 7y plus 5y to the 4th plus.
Okay, Edward.
What?
What's our highest degree?
All right. Here we go. It's the highest degree is the 4th power, and that's probably it. All the power. So it's 5y to the 4th and minus 4y to the 4th and minus 9y to the 4th. Should have done this earlier, but.
That's right. What's the next highest power?
The next highest power is 7y and minus 8y.
Okay, and what's left?
What's left is 3. That's all that's left is 3. We have to.
Okay.
We're reviewing 4 problems, and that's it. Is that it? Just 4 problems.
Okay, let's work on this one, okay? So, what's the next step?
I just want to know what we're doing. That's all.
What's the next step?
The next step is to combine the like terms. So it's like 5y to the 4th minus 4y to the 4th minus 9y to the 4th. That would be. That's negative 9y to the 4th. No. Wait. Why is it not right?
What's negative 4 and negative 9?
It's 5. It's 5. Oh, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So. Oh, it's negative 8y to the 4th.
Very good.
Never mind. Yeah, wait.
9.
I thought I had 0.
That gets rid of these 3. What's next?
7y. That's just plus 7y, and then you do 7y minus 8y is negative 1y. And plus 3.
Okay. Okay, on your quiz, you had
Oh, you're talking
an exact answer. So you got this one right on the quiz.
yeah, you had that the exact answer.
That is your answer on this quiz.
Don't tell me how to change anything.
So, Now, I didn't put down steps on this one. What's your first step for
Oh,
solving that?
because it's just in like an example. Yeah. That's just the first one you have to.
So what am I gonna do now?
This method. So, oh, it's the negative one. So it's 5y minus 3 minus 2y to the third plus negative 7y to the third plus 4 minus 9y to the fifth. Oh. I don't know why you put that pop. I don't know why you put that parentheses there, but alright. So, what?
Listen. Okay, I'm gonna explain why we have to put those parentheses there.
Alright, yeah. That's,
Alright?
yeah.
It just separates so that nothing gets lost.
Oh, it separates, yeah. Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
I'm gonna see them writing expressions that way on the keystones. So it's a good thing that you are going to get used to it, okay?
Yeah, keystones are not this year, but alright. What?
Okay, so now next step.
Next step is not negative 9y to the fifth. And you put that negative 9y to the fifth, yeah. And then you do minus 7y to the third. Oh, I get why you because that's a plus sign. It's gonna be if you like just without parentheses it would be plus negative plus it would be like plus minus, and that's bad. That's that. No, we like that. So we don't want that. Yeah, I get what you're saying now. I got the trick. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, what else?
Oh, negative